Hello, Leshark here for your Phuket Weekly Weather video live from my garden. Well, I'm live in my garden. It's the last week of April and it's hot. That's right. It's as hot as an oven in the Sahara Desert that's been left there for a few weeks. It's really hot. That's right. Look, I'm sweating. I'm like Sweaty Betty. She's so obscene. Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for the last week of April moving into May, which is interesting because May, it becomes our monsoon season, green season, wet season, rainy season, low season, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, we're moving into that. But if you want to know what the weather's doing for next week, then come with me. We're going to go into my bedroom. Come on, ladies. Come into my bedroom. Woo-woo. Hello, Jay here. You already know that because you just watched the intro. Now, this week is very important because this is the last week of April, so we're moving into May, and May is the official change of seasons. That's right! We're moving into low season, rainy season, green season, monsoon season, whatever you want to call it. And how's that going to affect you if you're going out on tour with this week? Well, luckily I'm going to tell you. But before that, hey, look what I've got. I don't know if you can see these or not. How good focus is that? If I get really close and come out. These are Carolina Reaper seeds. That's right. Farmer Shark is about to try to grow the world's second hottest chili. It used to be the hottest chili, but now it's the second hottest chili, and it's 1.6 million on the old Scoville scale, right? And bear in mind, Thai chilies are only 50 to 100,000 on the old Scoville scale. So these things are gonna kick your, bleep this Miguel, off. That's right. Anyway, we'll do some videos about them, growing them. But you don't care about Carolina Reaper. You do care about how hot it is here in Phuket at the moment, and I can tell you it's flipping hot. Okay, at the moment the temperature is around about 33 to 35, but it feels like it's 40 degrees to 44. It is hot as an oven. Okay, just to let you know that. So make sure you're wearing sunscreen and maybe a hat. Reef safe sunscreen, that's for sure. Right, let's talk about the weather. So we're here on our Windy app. Why are we on Windy? Because Windy shows us where the wind is coming from, which shows it's going to be bumpy or not. It's all colour-coded, so you see a little bit of purple here down in PP. That means there's no wind. Blue or light blue means very, very, very little wind. Light green or green, more wind. Yellow, more wind. Orange, more wind. And if you see this dude,
I'm on Burgundy.
then it's blowing its off. But we don't see much Ron Burgundy, that's for sure. Not even this time of year as we're moving into the low season. So, this is Sunday morning as we look at this, and as you can see, it's pretty good. Not much wind out there. That's why it's so flipping hot. Okay, so Sunday looks good. I'm going out in a minute. I'm trying to get this done quickly because I'm heading out. I'm going to Phang Island, which is up here. Taking some friends out. We're going to go out to Phang Island. You'll see the video next week. Maybe if I get it done in time. We'll do some shorts as well. Anyway, we're going to Phang Island. So, looks good this morning. Let's look at this afternoon. Wowzers. Looks like I'm going to have a great day out on the water. Now, it did rain a little bit last night, just to let you know, but that's okay. And generally this time of year, you do get a few thunderstorms coming through, but they don't last very long. But at the moment, daytime looks like it's going to be really good. Now let's look at Monday the 27th. Purple, look at that, all over Phang Nga Bay, which is nice. It's getting a little bit windy out here, but we don't care because we're not going out here. Just to let you know, Similin Islands is up here. That closes on the 15th of May, okay? So Similin Islands do close on the 15th of May. So you've only got about 2 weeks left before you can go there, if you want to go there. And if you are going to go there, make sure you've got a contingency plan. That's the word I'm looking for. That it might be bumpy one day, so you might have to go the next day, just to let you know. But Monday does look good. PP down here, Ratcha down here, which is cool. Oh, Ratcha's really cool at the moment. They've just done this whole underwater diving cultural thing down at Ratcha. Go check out our social media. It looks very cool. When it opens, we'll go down and have a little dive around, a little snorkel, and you can see it. It's very, very cool. Coral Island, always good to go to. But as I said, look, Phang Nga Bay looks perfect today. Monday. Monday afternoon looks good. Tuesday the 28th. Wowzers, look at that. Looks like it's going to be hot out in the water, that's for sure. Tuesday afternoon, there you go, looks good. Wednesday the 29th, looks good. All this week looks really good, to be fair. Wednesday afternoon, wowzers, look at this, purple everywhere. It's going to be hot, though, it really is. Hi, I'm Jay Leshark, and if you like coffee and want to feel awake and happy in the morning, then grab a coffee from 7-Eleven. It's only Don't move my camera when I'm filming, dog! It's only 30 baht, and it's yummy. Look! Yummy. coffee. Good. Thursday the 30th, once again, looks great. No problems whatsoever. Thursday afternoon, looks good too. It's an easy weather report, this one, isn't it? Friday looks good. This is the 1st of May. Happy May, everyone. It's May Day. What does that mean? It's a bank holiday, isn't it? In some countries, May Day. Anyway, this is the official Friday the 1st of May, the change of seasons. Ooh, change of seasons. Seasons in the... Is that the song or is it Westlife did that? Seasons in the sun. Na 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 na, there'll be seasons in the sun. Da, 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 da. Was that Westlife? I can't remember. Anyway, I'm sure someone will check for me and just let me know in the comments if that was Westlife or not. So Friday, the 1st of May looks good. Saturday, the 2nd of May. Wowzers, that looks good too. Saturday afternoon looks great. Sunday looks good. Sunday afternoon. So all of next week, wind-wise, looks like it's really good. However, I'm warning you now, it will be hot. So let's go to our acute weather. Now, this is quite hard to see, I know, because it's white on white. But 35, 34, 34, 33, 35, 33. But it feels like 40. Look at this. On Thursday, it says it feels like 45. Holy moly! That's damn hot, baby. That is really, really hot. So it's going to feel like 45. So at the moment, it's really, really humid out there. And you'll see on a lot of the weather reports, it will say chance of rain, couple of thunderstorms. That is normal for this time of year. Moving into the low season, it always says this. It's always going to be hot in May because it is a transition period. So it's going to be a lot of humidity kicking around. And there will be some thunder. There will be some thunderstorms in the evening, mostly. And if there is a thunderstorm during the day, it doesn't last very long. And it goes. It looks like a good week, though. Very hot. Hot as an oven. Anyway, this is our TMD weather radar, which is pointless because this is live right now. You see a couple of drops of sunshine falling from the sky down here, but this is Phuket smack dang in the middle and nothing there. So, where should you go this week? Well, let's go back to our windy. Definitely Phang Nga Bay is a really good one to go to. And actually, I just saw Guide's son just went to the Samjit Nashri. Sam Et Nanshi, that's it. Sam Et Nanshi viewpoint. Really cool trip to do that one. You get up early and you get the boat, you go into Sam, which is up here in Phang Nga Bay, and you drive here, or you drive, you get the boat here, then you get a little truck, takes you up to the top of the viewpoint, you get an amazing view, and then you come down to James Bond Island, you go have lunch at Pani. That's a really cool trip to do. I'm going to Hong Krabi, and if you've not been to Hong Krabi, that's another cool trip to do. It's got the tropical beaches of Phi Phi, and it's got the limestone cliffs and the scenery of Phang Nga Bay. So it kind of ticks two boxes, and it's not that far away. It's only about 25 minutes. You go round here, round Koh Yai, and then you're here, and you say, whoa, and you climb up to the viewpoint. It is 500 odd stairs, and it is a bit of a hike, but you'll see that because I'm going to do it this afternoon, maybe this morning, depending on what time we get there. So that's a good one to do. Phi Phi you still can do if you want to. It is quite fine. You've got to be careful because of the open sea at the moment. With the way the winds are coming from, it can get a little bit bumpy going down there. Coral Island's a good one to go to. Khai Islands, Mai Ton, all around here are really good trips to go on. But my recommendation at the moment is Phang Nga Bay. It's stunning at the moment. And because it's so hot right now, it's humidity, when you're in Phang Nga Bay, you can sneak into the lagoons or into the caves and it's nice and cool. That's right, cool, baby. Like it? Good. So there you go. That's your weather. That's your top tips. Anything else? No? Right. I'm going to get my... Can you see these? I'm not sure. Focus. My Carolina Reaper. I've got a whole propagator and everything, but I'll do a video on that so you can see how it's going to go. Farmer Shark is back. That's great. All right, Farmer Shark is coming back. So that's your Phuket Weekly Weather forecast for the last week of April. Coming into May, monsoon season, rainy season, low season, green season, whatever you want to call it. Got any questions, just comment below. Now remember, we do daily weather updates on all our social media, so they're on our shorts, they're on our reels, they're on our TikTok, all that kind of stuff, so you can see what the weather's doing live. It's either me, it's Sunwa, it's Sean, and it's Guide's son, depending on who's not busy. Generally, it's me that wasn't busy last week and did them all. But that's okay, I like them. Right, there you go. I'm Jay Leshark, that's your Phuket Weekly Weather Forecast. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe and all that jazz. See ya! That's only taken a few takes, hasn't it? And the dogs were quite calm. That's good for a change. What do you think, Maradona? I think he's great. I don't know why Maradona's gone French all of a sudden. Right, there you go. Thanks, Miguel. Peace. I don't know why I did that. Oh, dear.